Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I got this synthetic wig looking like an expensive wig install, keep on watching. So this is the wig we're going to be installing today. Cloud 9 Swiss lace Matilda wig. Yep, it's a 11 by 3 funnel. It's got all that parting space over there. It's got a frontal from ear to ear. It came with the front curled and the bottom straight, which I have absolutely no idea why they did that, but hey. I'm gonna actually end up curling this myself with my curlers and some pins, just so that we can have some consistent curls throughout the wig. It is about, I would say like 28 to 30 inches. It didn't come pre-plucked. I plucked this myself. Let me know if you want to get the plucking tutorial, because it is quite long. And I also made the widow's peak, guys. I'm so proud of myself for doing this. I've never done a widow's peak before, but I think this is gonna look super duper amazing. I've got mine in jet black. And it's also a mixed blend of human and synthetic hair. It's only £55, so if you want to look bougie, not even bougie on a budget, if you want to look beautiful on a budget, go and get this wig. Go and get this wig. Let's jump straight into applying this wig. Okay. I'm in love already. Good. I might cut this widow peak a little bit back. I feel like that's too intense for me. Okay guys, so it has come to my attention that the last recording that I did for this video has somehow been wiped or deleted, which just included me like doing my baby hairs and taking out the curls that I did. So I'm just going to record that again for you. So excuse the new lighting. I am doing this in daylight. I usually record in the night, but yeah, let's finish this off for you guys, because that was so rude. How can they do that to me? So So now that it's finished, and we're just going to brush out the hair. And this is the final result. Apologies once again for the change in lighting. My video got deleted, so I decided to get up and do this again for you guys, because it's important that you guys see all the steps so you can actually get this gorgeous piece of hair. Don't forget to like the video if you like the outcome of this wig. I think this is fantastic. You guys see the bounce in the hair? Gorgeous. Okay, the sun is actually going down now. I don't know if you could see that. The lighting definitely changed again. I just wanted to ask y'all something. Are you new here? And if you are, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.